Um, this is for because YouTube.
YouTube.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Charles. I'm currently here at Chisinau, in the country of Moldova. So in today's video, I'm heading towards the center of town, the Cathedral Park. So I'm gonna see some of the major sites over there. Crossing the street here, normally we just go to the underground tunnel here, and where there are all the shops are. So the underground tunnel is not like a quiet underground, it's actually full of shops around. So you can buy your grocery. There are some mobile phone. I can get a SIM card also here. So on this street, most of the shopping is on my right and all the government buildings is on my left. I'm now at the Cathedral Park, and this is the cathedral in Chisinau. Places of interest is around this area.
So subscribe to my channel Kirimat.
You have a channel?
Yes.
I just come across the flea market here. There are lots of things selling, like some of the souvenirs and something. Hello. Hi. I'm now at the central market here in Chisinau. They are just basically very busy. Today is Saturday, and basically sell everything. Just bought the cheese pie from the store there. Very nice, really tan. I just come in here and it is the cheese smell because the whole place is selling cheese. In this area behind me, they are selling all the poultry and eggs. I'm now at the central bus station next to the market, and this is the ticket selling office. So these are the platform for buses. Where is the good place and cheaper place to eat?
Ca o bucată de pește la șpoț? 600, da?
Okay, I just ordered the canteen meals from a canteen in nowadays. So this is the rice, and I have the sausage and the salad, and of course drinks. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Today's video, I want to review this hotel. Is because it's kind of the Soviet style hotel, and I'm staying here. The area is that it's surrounded by shopping centers. To the lift now. It's 22 floors, but mine is 5th floor. So this is the telephone sofa. The blinds. At least got the view.